Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today, we'll be talking about meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division process that results in 4 daughter cells, each with half of the number of chromosomes from each parent. Meiosis is only used for the production of gametes or sex cells. The difference between mitosis and meiosis is that meiosis has 2 nuclear divisions creating 4 haploid gametes. This would mean that we would have to do PMAT twice. We would refer this as prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, prophase 2, and etc. In addition to that, this allows crossing over to occur. We'll talk more about crossing over later, but to get into the video, we will start with prophase 1. Similar to prophase and mitosis, the nuclear membrane begins to disappear and the chromosomes begin to condense. The only thing that is different in prophase 1 is that crossing over begins to occur. Crossing over actually happens between prophase 1 and metaphase 1. This is when the chromosomes pair up and attach to each other, exchanging DNA. The exchange in DNA is called independent assortment. This is also the reason why siblings don't always look alike. With independent assortment, it exchanges random DNA, making every human being with the same parents look different. After that, we have anaphase 1. This is when the chromosomes are pulled apart by the spindle fibers to the opposite side of the cell. Since the chromosomes are now split, we finally come to our next step, which is telophase 1 and cytokinesis. This is when the nuclear membrane reforms and the chromosomes begin to decondense. This is also when the cytoplasm begins to split apart, creating 2 new haploid daughter cells. Since we did PMAT once already, we will do it a second time. This allows us to go to prophase 2. Just like any prophase step, the chromosomes condense and the nuclear membrane disappears. Next, we have metaphase 2. This is when all of the chromosomes meet in the middle of the cell's equator. The next step is anaphase 2. During anaphase, the spindle fibers separate the sister chromatids and bring them to each opposite side of the cell. Finally, we come to telophase 2 and cytokinesis. At this final phase, all of the nuclear membrane reform and the chromosomes decondense once again. The final product of meiosis is 4 haploid cells with just 1 chromatid. This creates a product of sperm and egg cells, which is the process of meiosis.